Hello and welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to whitelist email address in Gmail. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to whitelist email address in Gmail, you need to create a filter and just follow these steps. Now, I'm already here at Gmail and make sure that you are logged into your Gmail account. Now, what you're gonna do is click on the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen, then click on See All Settings. Now, click on the Filters and Block Address tab, and click on Create New Filter. Now, in the From field, enter the email address that you want to whitelist. You can also use other fields such as To field, the Subject field, or the Hashwords field, and further refine your filter. Now, click on Create Filter button. Now, check the box next to Never send it to spam. You can also choose to apply the filter to existing message by checking the box next to Also apply filter to matching conversations. Now click on Create the Filter button. So that's it. Now any message from the email address you specified will automatically mark as not spam and delivered to your inbox. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!